Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to solve this type of problem. Now the question says 2 to the power of x plus x is equals to 5. Find x to 3 decimal place. Now there are different methods to solve this type of question. We have the Newton-Raphson method, the bisection method, the secant method, and of course we have the Lambert omega function method. But in this video I will be using bisection method. In the bisection method it works this way. Let's see, we have 2 to the power of x plus x is equals to 5. The first thing I'm going to do is to transfer the 5 to the left hand side. I'm going to write it this way: minus 5 is equals to 0. So the next thing I'm going to do is to guess a value of x that is likely to be the solution of our equation, starting from x is equals to 1. If we say if x is equals to 1, then our f of 1 will be equals to 2 to the power of 1. Then I'm replacing 1 with x in this equation. 2 to the power of 1 is 2 plus 1, we have 3 minus 5, which is equals to minus 2. Then if x is equals to 2, if x is equals to 2, we have f of 2 will be equals to 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 minus 5. This will give us 2 to the power of 2 is 4 plus 2, we have 6 minus 5, that is 1. So we notice a change of sign, right? Because we have f of 1 gives minus 2, while f of 2 gives positive 1, right? So we notice a change of sign, which means the root of this equation is in between 1 and 2, right? So because if f of x is equals to 0, then the value of x is a root of the equation, but in this case the value of x lies in between 1 and 2, because 0 is in between minus 2 and 1. So in bisection method we have to guess 2 value for x, right? So the first value we are getting for x, let's say a is equals to 1, because this is what we get. We get 1 and 2. So a is equals to 1, b is equals to 2. When the bisection method said c is equals to a plus b over 2. So I won't be using c because we are working with x. So let's see, our x1 will be equals to a is 1, b is 2, 1 plus 2 over 2, 3 over 2, same thing as 1.5. So the next step is I'm going to put the value of x1, I mean this 1.5, I'm going to put 1.5 in the original equation, so making it to be f of 1.5 will be equals to 2 to the power of 1.5 plus 1.5 minus 5. So this gives negative 0.6717. Now notice that f of 1 is negative and f of 1.5 is also negative. Then our two guess number will be 1.5 and 2. You won't use 1 again because 1.5 is closer, right? So our two guess number now, let's say A is now equals to 1.5 and B is equals to 2. Then x2 will be equals to 1.5 plus 2 over 2. This is 3.5 over 2, which is the same thing as 1.75. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to say f of x2, which is the same thing as f of 1.75 equals to 2 to the power of 1.75 plus 1.75 minus 5. So f of 1.75 will give 0.113. We also notice that f of 1.75 is positive and f of 2 is also positive. However, our two guess number would be 1.5 and 1.75. Let's say A is equals to 1.5 and B is equals to 1.75. x3 will be equals to 1.5 plus 1.75 over 2, same thing as 1.625. So f of 1.625, same thing as 2 to the power of 1.625 plus 1.625 minus 5, which is equals to minus 0.2906. So since this is also negative, then our next two guess number is 1.625 and 1.75. Right? So let's say A is equals to 1.625 and B is equals to 1.75. So x4 will be equals to 1.625 plus 1.75 over 2 be equals to 1.6875. So f of 1.6875 is equals to, this will give us negative 0.0915. Since it is negative, the next two guess will be A is equals to 1.6875 and B is equals to 1.75. then x5 will be equals to 1.6875 plus 1.75 over 2. This is equals to 1.7188. 1.7188. Then f of 1.7188 is equals to 0.0104. Since f of 1.7188 is positive, the next two gears would be, if a, then a is equals to 1.6875, b is equals to 1.7188, then x6 is equals to 1.6875 plus 1.7188 over 2, and this will give us 1.7032. So f of 1.7032 is equals to negative 0.0406. So since f of 1.7032 is negative, then the next two gears will be a is equals to 1.7032, b is equals to 1.7188, then x7 is equals to 1.7032 plus 1.7188 over 2. This gives us 1.711. So f of 1.711 is equals to negative 0.0151. Since this is also negative, the next two gears will be 1.711 and 1.7188. a is equals to 1.711, b is equals to 1.7188. So x8 is equals to 1.711 plus 1.7188 over 2. This is equals to 1.7149. 1.7149. Then f of 1.7149 is equals to negative 0.0024. Since this is also negative, the next two gears will be, see, a is equals to 1.7149, b is equals to 1.7188. So x9 is equals to 1.7149 plus 1.7188 over 2. And this is equals to 1.769. So f of 1.769 is equals to 0.0042. Since this is positive, the next two guesses will be 1.7149 and A is equals to 1.7149 and B is equals to, this should be 1.7169. 7169. And this 1.7, B is equals to 1.7169, and x10, B is equals to 1.7149 plus 1.7169 over 2. This is equals to 1.7159. So f of 1.7159 is equals to 0.0009. This is positive. So the next two guesses will be A is equals to 1.7149, B will be equals to 1.7159. X11 is equals to 1.7149 plus 1.7159 over 2. This gives 1.7154. So f of 1.7154 is equals to minus 0.0007. So since this is negative, then the next two guesses will be A is equals to 1.7154, B is equals to 1.7159. X12 is equals to 1.7154 plus 1.7159 over 2. This gives 1.7157. Okay, if you notice, our x10, the x10 here, we have 1.7159. x11 also we have 1.7154. x12 also we have 1.7157. So from the question, we are asked to find the value of x to 3 decimal place. So x is equals to 1.715 because the last three x value that we got, they all have 1.715, so we can truncate the fourth decimal place. So the final answer is x is equals to 1.715 to 3 decimal place.